Cryptocurrency, it's high risk, high return, extremely volatile, and Gen Z's favorite, and also the favorite of US president for some reason. But behind this craze is a dark reality. A recent investigation revealed that major crypto exchanges like Binance and OKX have handled billions of dollars linked to scams, drug trafficking, and human trafficking and other crimes between 2024 and 2025. Despite the court supervision and regulations, dirty money continues to flow through the platforms. Investigations reveal that $28 billion of illicit wealth is lying in crypto exchanges. This investigation was carried out by various news outlets, and the investigations were performed through 10 months. Crypto exchanges offer global connectivity and secrecy. You can buy, transfer, and convert crypto without revealing much of your information. As per a New York Times report, Binance has received more than $400 million in deposits from Huion Group, which is a Cambodian laundering firm, $900 billion from hackers from North Korea. OKX has also received more than $220 million of deposits from the same Cambodian money laundering firm. That's not all. Binance pleaded guilty to money laundering violations in 2023 and agreed to pay $4.3 billion in penalty to US government after processing transactions for terror groups like Hamas and Al-Qaeda. In India, 21 months between January 2024 to September 2025, the Cybercrime Coordination Center flagged at least 27 crypto exchanges for allegedly being used as laundering channels by cyber criminals, scamming $73 million out of more than 2,800 people. And well, crypto exchanges have been targets of the government, but they settle the cases and move on. And for exchanges in the US, it's a safe season. US President Donald Trump has been a supporter of crypto. He wants to make US the world's crypto capital. Crypto companies are declaring themselves safe, and major industries from Wall Street banks to online retailers are experimenting with digital coins. But why is Trump bullish on crypto? Well, shortly before 2024 election, his sons and Trump founded the World Liberty Financial. It is a crypto startup that has seen a huge jump in profits after Trump became the president of United States. His firm is poised to generate tens of millions of dollars in a year from business deal involving Binance that has been allegedly accused of hosting terror groups and illicit businesses on its platform. This has also made law enforcement tough. The Justice Department in April dismantled a crypto enforcement team as well. There is also another theory as to why Trump might be supporting cryptos. A Russian economic advisor started this theory. He suggested that US could someday move federal debt into digital stable coins and later change the value, effectively devaluing debt. Trump has signed various bills to make regulations around crypto, like Genius Act, aiming to create comprehensive regulatory framework for stable coins. The Russian advisor says that the government could someday shift the over $38 trillion national debt into digital stable coins and adjust their value peg. And this is not fictional. US has done it before. In 1934, they raised dollar price of gold, devaluing the dollar, and then in 1971, they abandoned gold standard, making dollar a pure fiat currency. And if it does the same thing again, experts say that it could lead to a financial crisis. If trust in stable coins is lost, then crypto markets could freeze. Stablecoin issuers would sell off large amounts of US treasuries, pushing up yields and shaking bond markets. Banks and payment companies using stablecoin tech could face problems, and this could ripple global credit, stalling trade finance, crashing the emerging markets, and sparking a global recession. Now, this is just a speculation and there is no proof that this is going to happen, but the whole point is that the digital coin world is darker than one can imagine it is, and maybe the world is not ready for the digital coin revolution yet that Trump wants to bring in. What is your thought on this? Let us know in the comments.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.